Okay, so here's my attempt at doing 2.11a, exploring the data using data visualization with the matrix plot. So we'll see how this goes. I go to Excel Miner, and I'm going to choose Explore, Existing Charts, Chart Wizard, Scattered Plot Matrix, Next. I'm going to choose price, manufacturing year, color, automatic, let's do, automatic transmission, anti-lock brakes, automatic air, and let's do power steering. And if I finish, takes a minute, and it pulls up scatter plots, and there are several to choose from. I'm not sure really how to change these, but we're just going to play with it a little bit and see what the data really looks like. Okay, so it looks like there's really no correlation between any of the variables that I chose in price. Okay, so I need to convert the fuel type from a text field to a binary number type format. And to do this, I'm going to go to Excel Miner. I'm going to go over to transform categorical data by creating dummies. This brings up the create dummy chart insert form, and I want to do field type, so I'm going to select that, move it over to be variables to be factored. I'm going to choose OK, and it's processing, and then it brings up a new data table, and as you can see, the fuel type has been broken down to fuel type CNG, diesel, and petrol. And if the fuel type is not CNG and it is not petrol, then it is diesel, and so there is a 0 for no and a 1 for yes. So the dummy variables make it easier to interpret the data in a binary way. Okay, so to answer the IC, how would you work with these new variables to avoid including redundant information? Well, since you have 3, if it's not one of the 2, then it is the third type. So you would really only need the 2 variables to determine if, say for instance it's CNG, you would only need to see if it's diesel. If it's not diesel and it's not petrol, then you know it has to be the CNG. So you could take out the CNG most likely because it appears to have the fewest number, where diesel and petrol seem to be more popular. Okay, so we're at 2.11 II, prepare a data set for data mining techniques. So what I've done is I've gone to Excel Miner, and I've gone to, well, here I'll close this. Go to Excel Miner, and you go to partition, standard partition, and this brings up the form to fill out. And we're going to select all variables. And then we are and use default values for random seed and partitioning percentages. Training, we're going to change to 50%. Let's specify 50, 30, and 20. And what will happen is that we'll use half of the